Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill. I am one of the most experienced private money professionals in the country, and I want to show you some new information about what you can do to easily grow your business and get through the roadblocks and revenue ceilings you may have experienced and prepare you for any economic challenges that may be ahead, and that's what I'll be training on at your event. Private money is a game changer. And I know some of you might not know what private money is. That's okay. I'm going to talk all about it at the event. It is much easier to get private money than it is with banks. Money is getting more expensive while opportunities to profit have increased. The market is becoming much more competitive, therefore knowing how to access private money will give you an advantage to grow your business faster and easier. Look, you probably want two things: more opportunities with less hassle and headaches, and financial freedom. Now, does any of this sound familiar to you? You're missing out on opportunities because you don't have the financial means. Or you want to do more deals, but you're tapped out financially. Or maybe you feel like you're losing money because of deals that you have to pass up on. Maybe you want to do real estate investing full time and leave your JOB, but you just aren't there yet. There are the 5 cities I'm going to be talking at and the dates. Just go to that red button and get signed up. Now, you want to do that by going to Real Impact Events and sign up for that, and the Saturday meeting, the workshop. It is going to rock. You are going to love it. I'll be there in person, and I can't wait. To your wealth.